Hey everyone, it's Chrissy Woods. So I'm here for a really quick minute makeup tip. One of the main things I always get asked about is highlight. Y'all know I love a good highlight. So I always get asked, how do I make my highlight pop and how do I get the pigmentation that I do get from my highlighters, no matter how expensive or inexpensive they are? And the answer is very simple. It's a wet brush, believe it or not. So say we have this highlighter here. This is the one I'm using today. This one is called Cheeky Bronze, and it looks like this, and it is by MAC Cosmetics. And as you can see, it's pink and it has like hints of gold in it. And the way I get this highlight to pop is I take a brush, any kind of brush. I like a fluffy brush like this one. And I take any kind of setting spray. This one is by Motives and this one is their 10 years younger. And I literally wet my brush, just mist it just a bit, tap it into my product and apply it. And instantly it gives tons of pigmentation. And this works for any highlighter, no matter how expensive or how inexpensive, or even a bronzer. As long as it has a shimmer in it, this will work. And I literally just douse myself in it. I put it everywhere. Anywhere that you want that nice, radiant glow. So do you see the difference? And another tip, this actually works for your eyeshadows as well. So if you have a shimmer eyeshadow and you want your shimmers to pop, try wetting your brush with just any kind of like setting spray or a mist. Elf has a good one for like $3. It's just a setting spray, and you just mist your brush with it and then dip it into your shadow, whether it's a shimmer or any kind of shimmering type pigmented shadow such as this. It will work, I promise you. So try it out, tell me how you like it, and I'll be back next week with another minute makeup tip.